Good morning, students of standard 12. Welcome in day 16. As you know that in day 15 I have started new exercise 3B, and in that day I have proved two formulas, okay, and you will study three formulas in this chapter. So today I am going to prove third formula. So let us see. Third formula is there. You have to find here integration of dx by under root x square plus x square, and the value of this integration should be log mod x plus under root x square plus x square a square plus constant term c. Okay, how to prove this? Let x is equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. That means tan theta is equal to x by a. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Now you have to find the first derivative of this equation with respect to theta. So you will put here dx by d theta is equal to a d tan theta by theta d theta. Okay, dx by d theta is equal to a, and you know that first derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. So it becomes dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta. Okay, now you have to find here integration of dx by under root x square plus x a square equal to, you will put the value of dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta, a sec square theta d theta by, you will put the value of here x is equal to a tan theta, here x square tan square theta plus a square under root term. Okay, integration a sec square theta d theta by under root, you will take a square as common, a square bracket tan square theta plus here 1. Okay, now this becomes integration a sec square theta d theta by under root a square, and you know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Integration a sec square theta d theta by under root a square, it becomes a sec square theta, it becomes under root sec square theta, it becomes sec theta. So a cancel out, sec square theta and sec theta, 1 sec theta is cancel out, d theta. So it left term is integration of sec theta d theta. Okay, now you know integration of sec theta d theta is equal to log mod sec theta plus tan theta plus constant term. Okay, so log, and you will convert sec theta is equal to under root tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta plus constant term. Log under root, put the value of tan theta is equal to x by a square plus 1 plus tan theta is equal to x by a plus constant term. Now equal to log under root x square by a square plus 1 plus x by a plus constant term. Log under root log mod under root x square plus a square, you will take a square is LCM, so it becomes x square plus a square by a square under root term plus x by a plus constant term. Okay, now log under root x square plus a square by under root a square, it becomes a, okay, plus x by a plus constant term. Okay, log, you will take here LCM a, okay, a, this becomes x plus under root x square plus a square plus constant term, log x plus under root x square plus a square minus log a. I have discussed in theorem number 2, so you will just write here minus log a plus constant term log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c dash, where c dash is a constant which is equal to minus log a plus c, where minus log a plus c is equal to c dash. Okay, so student, I have proved these three formulas which is used in exercise 3B. Now it's time for see the question, some question of exercise 3B. So let us see question number 1 from exercise 3B. Student, see here question number 1. Evaluate, that means you have to find the integration of dx by under root 16 minus x square. Okay, and the solution is here integration dx by under root 16 minus x square is equal to, firstly you will arrange the a term, okay? You can write here a square, that means 4 square. So dx, integration dx by under root 4 square minus x square, okay? And you know I have taught formula number 1, integration dx by under root a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a plus constant term. So sine inverse x by a is here 4, so you will write here not a, you will write here 4. Sine inverse x by 4 plus constant term. You will apply this formula, okay? Now see question number 3. You have to find here integration of dx by under root 15 minus 8x square. Students, here I have told you that in question number 1, first of all you will arrange the formula a square minus x square minus a square, x square plus a square, okay? So let us see how to arrange them, okay? So solution is integration dx by under root 15 minus x square, okay? Integration dx by under root, you will divide to each term by 8, okay? Now it will become x square, okay? So you will multiply and divide by this term by 8, okay? 8 under root 8, 15 by 8 minus 8 by 8 x square, okay? And 8 cancel out, so it becomes thus here integration dx by, you know, under root 8 is equal to 2 root 2, 15 by 8 minus x square, okay? This is constant term, so you will just write before integration sign 1 by 2 root 2 integration dx by 15 by 8 minus x square, okay? Now this is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 integration dx by, you can write here 15 by 8 as under root 15 by 8 whole square under root 15 by 8 square minus x square, okay? Now you will arrange in the form of a square minus x square. Then you have to write here the formula 1 by 2 root 2 sine inverse x by a is here under root 15 by 8 plus constant term, okay? 1 by 2 root 2 sine inverse, now it goes to outside, so it becomes under root 8 by 15x, okay? 8 by 15x plus c. So your final answer is 1 by 2 root 2 sine inverse x under root 8 by 15x plus constant term. Now let us see next question. See question number 7. You have to find here integration dx by under root x square plus 9. You will arrange the term under root integration dx by under root x square plus 9 equal to integration dx by under root x square plus, you will arrange 9 and 3 square and use the, you know the formula how to find integration of under root x square plus a square, formula number 3rd, okay? And you will write there direct answer log x plus under root x square plus a square, x square plus a square, 3 square plus constant term, log under root mod x plus under root x square plus 3 square 9 plus constant term. So this is your answer. Student, write down your homework for day 16. This is your homework for day 16. You will do question 1 to 10 of exercise 3B. Okay? You will do exercise question 1 to 10 of exercise 3B. Today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.